Today I'll be showing you how to replace your bathroom light vanity. What's going on? Welcome to today's video. My name is Colton, and today I will be demonstrating how to replace your current bathroom light vanity with a new one. This bathroom vanity was a little dated, a little dusty, and it was time to upgrade. The tools that you'll need for this project is a light fitter, so the actual bathroom light vanity, a bit set, wire strippers, a level, a screwdriver, and a drill. Also be sure when you're purchasing a new bathroom light fitter vanity that you know if it comes with shades or not. In this case, this one didn't come with shades, so had to go buy new ones. You'll see those in the demonstration video. The time that it took to complete this project was about 20 minutes. So let's get started. First, head over to your bathroom vanity that you want to replace and take out all of the light bulbs. You don't want these to get in the way. Inside this shade, you're going to see this little washer that keeps the shade all held together. Loosen this up. If you have larger hands, you might need a tool. If you have smaller hands, you'll be just fine. Make sure you are holding onto the shade as you loosen this washer, because once this washer's off, the shade will come down. Remove all the other shades. Head over to your power box and turn the power off to the vanity. Head back to the bathroom vanity fixture that you're going to replace, and you're going to see 2 or more nuts, and make sure you loosen those and take them off completely. You can do this either by a wrench or by hand loosening. Take the fixture off, and these are the wires that you're going to disconnect and also reconnect with your new fixture. If your wires are behind the bracket, remove the bracket to make the wires more accessible. Disconnect your 3 wires, white, black, and your ground. The ground is the exposed copper wire, and you should have these caps on your wires. Just loosen them up and disconnect them. At this point, you'll have the bathroom vanity light fixture completely detached from the wall. Now go over to your new light fixture that you're going to be replacing and unbox that if you haven't already, and also make sure that you know which way your light fixture is going. In this case, the lights can go down or up. Go to the place where all the wires are exposed and tighten those up. Sometimes these can be a little frayed. If you tighten them up so they are nice and tied together, it'll be easier to connect. Make sure you have all the necessary hardware: the bracket, the nuts, the screws that are going to be fastening the bracket to the wall, and the fixture, and any other finishing pieces. I would even suggest taking the new light fixture and taking it over to the bathroom and just holding it up to the wall to see what it'll look like and where you need your bracket placed. In this case, there's a lot of old paint showing from that old fixture that it was covering and the new paint that got applied, so I'm going to have to make sure that I find that new paint over all this, match it up, and make it look good. Because this bracket swivels, I'm going to put the bracket up here, line it up, and actually take this screw and tighten it down a little bit so it swivels less. I also like to have anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inches of exposed wire from this new light fixture for a good connection, and if you don't have that, I would highly recommend stripping more wire out, exposing that, and twisting it so it's not frayed. Now just match up the colors and twist the wires around each other: white to white, black to black, ground to ground. If you don't have caps already, go get caps and make sure you get a nice tight fit on these and twist them on. And you can reuse the old caps if they're good. Now grab your new bracket, line up the holes, and take your 2 screws and fasten this bracket down to the actual box of the light fixture. Make sure to remove any finishing nuts, and you're going to take the wires and just shove them in the box. After that, make sure you take your light fixture, line up the holes, and tighten on the finishing nuts. As you're tightening down the finishing nuts, make sure that the light fixture itself is level. Grab a level, make sure everything's good, and then continue to tighten. Remove the light shade washers, just like the ones that you previously removed. Grab your lamp shades, put them on there, and tighten them down with the washer. Make sure you do this to all 4 or 3 or however many lights that you have on there, and make sure everything's secure. Don't forget to add on any finishing bolts, nuts, or screws. Add your new light bulbs without over tightening them. Head back to your power box and switch on any breakers that you turned off. Head back to the bathroom, turn on the switch, and you're done. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. If you liked what you just watched, consider subscribing and also hit that like button. If you want to watch other demonstration how-to videos that I've completed in the past, go ahead and click this link right up here. And also don't forget to click this link to subscribe. Keep an eye out for future project videos, and I'll see you next time.